Okay, folks, Locos is here on control. They are not sleeping on a job. You see, they are moving, and that is real video. And today, folks, I do have a very special delivery. Sure, I want to ask you a question. What drinks do you drink? But let's do a job, folks. All right, folks, it's here. Doesn't big enough? Please make a comment down below. It is Saturday, fortunately, March 1st. And folks, I would like to ask you a question. What drinks do you drink? This action is not supported by Red Bull, but it could be. And today, temperature on the way here, 9 degrees by Celsius. What a spectacular steaming. Sunrise supposed to happen at 6:07, so we're completely out of the time. Let's start our business and see what's going on the sky. All right, folks, I'm in position. This is my picture for right now. And thank you very much for you all who last Saturday, February 22nd, clean Hydrilla here in Vortex. That's a main reason why I'm here. And in a few minutes for you, we will check on Hydrilla Hassel, what is in Vortex. Sure, after sunrise. Oh, birds is flying. I have controlled that. Stopping observation camera. Now, folks, in here, I'm looking for Kawasaki tractor. It's somewhere here in the area. Let's go and see. Where is a Kawasaki tractor? Okay, folks, here you are. Sure, folks, before I take you diving, I need to do my personal test on jumping from a Kawasaki tractor. Am I high enough? 1, 2, and 3. This is the height of a tire of Kawasaki tractor and me. Folks, this is my supporters. This is Julie.
Yes.
How you related? Husband and wife?
Yes.
Or mermaid and a sailor?
That's probably mermaid and sailor now.
Maybe yes. Maybe.
That's the case now.
Folks, we're going to a sailboat. Make a giant step and dive. What they teach in open water class. Okay, folks, what I do today, I will swim through a boat. In a couple last videos, when it's snow and frosty, you saw me swimming with a monofin. Unfortunately, monofin is too wide and it does not fit through a hatch. All right, folks, drone is flying. Now I have to start my special rig with 2 cameras. Front started, back started. Some guy was swimming on the surface, that is good. And what I'm doing, my dive plan, I place you on the top of the boat, and then with you, I swim through a boat. My underwater camera rig always lands on the bottom. Unfortunately, there is tons of Hydrilla down below. Now I have a problem to find it. Well, you see a footage right now from my drone. Successfully pick up camera's pole and I have to place it on a boat. Some scuba class does the exercise. Right now I'm placing camera on a boat and sure I need air. Looks like my support divers around boat. I need to rebreathe for about 2 to 3 minutes And at the same time, I'm watching what scuba class does on surface. And what I see, they do rescue dive practice. When a body got unconscious, you have to tow your body back to a shore. All right, I'm done with the rebreathing. Let's go and find camera rig. Okay, folks, thanks for watching. And there is plenty of scuba tanks down below. Very good. Cannon's still running. So, folks, thanks for watching. If you need a scuba tank, it's in a dive shop.